so going to love the Twilight Trek.
Hey, if I didn't have tickets to the terribly exclusive Wellington Downs horse show, I'd go again.
Yeah, it was great being out there on our own. But I think I'm going to spend the next few days resting.
I wish we could do a real solo trek on campsite. We'll have to depend on our horses, and they'll have to depend on us.
You really learn how to trust your horse when you're alone with him through an old apple orchard that even Bailey didn't know about.